castings. They'll have a casting block that'll make 100 Matchbox cars at a time. Maybe we just make that real big.
We all know that Tesla's strategy of delivering the very best cars at a price everyone can afford looks like it could really pay off. And that's exactly why they're going all in on their latest project, an affordable, game-changing EV that will make waves in the automotive world. Will this bold move help Tesla crush the competition? Stick around and find out. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We're racing toward 1,000 subscribers, and your support means a lot. So, what's going on with Tesla lately? They've been laser-focused on bringing more affordable models to the market as soon as possible. Production is on track to kick off in June, and yes, that promise is finally becoming a reality. The Tesla Model 2 is officially launching at an unbelievable price, under $11,000. Crazy, right? Can you imagine driving a brand new Tesla for less than $11,000? The first deliveries will begin within just 2 short weeks, and now some leaked spy shots straight from Giga Texas have hit the internet. They show a camouflage prototype that looks like our first close-up of the Tesla Model 2. Do you want a sneak peek at Tesla's most affordable EV ever? That's what we're seeing, a smaller footprint than the Model Y, missing some body panels and its roof, signaling that Tesla's nearly wrapped up the engineering validation. Interestingly, another very similar vehicle was spotted testing at Tesla's Fremont facility earlier this year. What do you think about seeing Tesla's most affordable car in action before its official release? Tell me your thoughts in the comments. Elon Musk? Well, actually, Danny has even gone on record saying this new model will serve as Tesla's secret weapon heading into 2025 and beyond. With Tesla's master plan for 2025 and 2026 shaping up to change everything, how would you feel about owning one? Could you picture one in your driveway? Welcome back to Auto Intel, where we talk about all the latest Tesla news. Ready to see what makes this new Tesla Model 2 so special? Don't forget to like this video if you love Tesla as much as we do, and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's hit 1,000 together. The high-resolution images that leaked from Texas offer undeniable proof that Tesla is making this long-awaited affordable EV real. Veteran Tesla drone pilot Joe Tegmeyer recently flew over Giga Texas and spotted this heavily camouflaged Model 2 racing along the test track. Its compact footprint and unfinished body show Tesla is in the home stretch before mass production. Do you agree this looks like a Model 2 and not just another version of the Model Y? Drop a yes or no in the comments, I'd love to see what you think. And the timelines? Elon himself confirmed that we'll see the Model 2 debut in June 2025. That's just a couple of weeks away. Imagine hearing that the most anticipated Tesla car in years is finally ready. Will you reserve one? Tesla's sources hinted a big global launch event by late June and first customer deliveries in December, starting at around 2,000 cars and ramping up quickly. Could this new Tesla really be a game changer? Let me know below. Here's where it gets even more exciting. Tesla's roadmap for 2025 and 2026 is incredibly ambitious. Reservations will open up before the end of this year, probably in November or December, with a small refundable deposit. Analysts believe we could see well over 500,000 pre-orders in just a few weeks. Do you want to be one of the first owners? Tell me in the comments yes or no. By the time we hit 2026, Tesla will introduce its robo-taxi variant, a fully autonomous version powered by Tesla's Dojo supercomputer and Starlink. That will be part of Tesla Network 5.1, Tesla's end-to-end autonomous ride-sharing service. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, doesn't it? Would you trust a self-driving Tesla to take you across town with no one behind the wheel? Let me know your thoughts. And if you thought Tesla was stopping there, think again. Production will take place at Giga Texas and the all-new Giga Mexico, where Tesla will leverage its most advanced manufacturing techniques to slash build times and save costs up to $1,000 per car. That's why they can sell this for under $11,000 without compromising on range or quality. Do you think Tesla can scale this quickly? Share your thoughts. By mid-2027, Tesla expects to produce 1 million Model 2s annually. That's a lot of cars, nearly 10,000 every single week. Thanks to these new factories being on home soil, buyers will also enjoy tax incentives up to $7,500. Pretty amazing, right? Plus, avoiding tariffs on imports and battery cells means Tesla can keep prices super low. Would you take one home at this price? Let us know! And here's one of the most impressive bits: this car will drive 350 miles on a single charge. Tesla will achieve this with a 53 kilowatt hour lithium iron phosphate battery sourced from cattle. Have you heard of cattle before? It's one of Tesla's key partners making safer and longer lasting batteries. Even though these batteries are super affordable, Tesla is packing them with enough energy density to make every mile count. Would you trust one for your commute? Tell me in the comments. Imagine being able to charge up to 80% in around 20 minutes. Many affordable EVs today take double that. Would faster charging make you switch to an electric car? Drop a yes or no below. Tesla also put safety at the top of their list. These new LFP packs don't catch fire easily and handle heat and cold just fine. Peace of mind, right? And Tesla hasn't just saved money on batteries. They've simplified the whole manufacturing process, sharing components with the Model 3 and Model Y, and using gigacasting and the unbox process to cut hundreds of parts. That means the Tesla Model 2 is faster and cheaper to make, making sure Tesla stays ahead. Does this sound like a smart plan to you? Let me know! Of course, this is more than just about cost, it's about making EVs accessible to everyone. Even without tax credits, $11,000 is a fantastic starting price. Add the incentives, and you could pay as little as a few thousand less. Would you jump on this opportunity? And what colour would you pick for yours, white, blue, or maybe something bold? Tell me in the comments. Performance won't disappoint either. Even the base version can hit 0 to 60 in 6.5 seconds. Do you like a zippy ride around town? What about an all-wheel drive version that can do it in under 5 seconds? Tesla is proving that affordable doesn't mean boring. And let's talk about design. The Tesla Model 2 is smaller than the Model 3 and way lighter too, making it easier to park in crowded cities. Plus, Tesla took design cues from the Cybertruck and SpaceX with its sharp headlights and futuristic body. Do you like that style? Let me know yes or no. And don't worry about comfort. Tesla outfitted this new car with a panoramic glass roof and a smart cockpit. The large touchscreen is pared down for beginners with an easy drive call map home layout. Plus, the seats will adjust automatically to fit your posture, no more fiddling with levers. Does that sound like a more relaxing drive? Tesla even thought about your health with a super clean cabin air system that removes almost all dust and allergens. Do you appreciate this kind of attention to detail? Tell me, so why does this matter? Because Tesla is about to put a truly affordable long-range EV into the hands of drivers all over the world. That means more people can switch to electric without breaking the bank, and that's a big win for everyone. Would you want to be part of this movement? Drop a comment sharing your thoughts. And that brings us to the end of this deep dive into the Tesla Model 2. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already to help us reach 1,000 subscribers, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. What feature excites you most? Let me know down below, and I'll see you in the next one.